Mr. Regan here from the Wolverhampton Music Service. I hope you're well. Today's video is designed for drummers looking to keep the decibels down whilst at home during these times. As we know, drums can be a very loud instrument. Don't forget that these instruments were used for long-range communication between villages, so they had to project. Of course, today's contemporary drum kit is different, but the volume is still there. So if you're like me and your living space won't allow for a loud acoustic kit, here are a few tips to help bring the noise down. So first on the list are old towels. You can fold up the towels and tape them or peg them to your kit to reduce the volume. It's not the prettiest, but it works. So next on the list are silencer pads. These particular pads are by Vic Firth, but a few other companies do make them. Just type in silencer pads on Amazon, for instance, and make sure the pads are the same size as your drums. But these are great, and here's how they sound. Okay, so last, I just invested in these Remo Silent Stroke drum heads. They are mesh heads that reduce the volume by 90%. Now, I'm fortunate as I have a few different cymbals. What you can do is piggyback two cymbals, so that eliminates the vibration and significantly reduces the volume. That takes care of the cymbals. And here is how that combination would sound. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel to see videos that we will be uploading to support you at home. Take care, see you soon.